Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk re-enable Chrome devices in Google Workspace with xFanatical Foresight. Re-enabling a large number of Chrome devices in Google Workspace can be a tedious and time-consuming task. IT admins often need to re-enable devices after temporary disablements due to maintenance, security, or policy updates. Doing this manually for dozens or hundreds of devices slows down operations and increases the chance of errors. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight simplifies and automates the bulk re-enabling of Chrome devices. With its intuitive workflow automation, admins can quickly restore devices to active status with minimal effort, saving time, reducing errors, and improving overall IT efficiency. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, admins need to extract the list of Chrome devices from the Google Workspace, then edit the list of Chrome devices and upload to xFanatical Foresight to re-enable Chrome devices in bulk. The workflow needs two rules. Rule 1 lists and exports Chrome devices to a CSV file, including the device ID, serial number, status, last policy sync, and user. Admins need to keep only the rows they want to re-enable Chrome devices in the CSV file and delete the rest. Rule 2 takes the extracted and edited CSV file from Rule 1 as input, and bulk re-enables Chrome devices listed in the file. Rule 1 export Chrome devices. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Re-enable Chrome Devices template and click on it. In the Bulk Re-enable Chrome Devices page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Chrome Devices will display. Click Next, then click Review. In the review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Bulk Re-enable Chrome Devices. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Re-enable Chrome Devices template and click on it. In the Bulk Re-enable Chrome Devices page, click Copy Rule 2. A dialog titled Copy of Bulk Re-enable Chrome Devices will display. Click Next, then click Review. In the review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how the xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk re-enabling Chrome devices in Google Workspace. Go to the Rules page. Find the Copy of Export Chrome Devices rule and click the Play button. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification at the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details screen, download the Chrome device's CSV file from here button. Edit the CSV file, keep the Chrome device details you want to re-enable, and delete the rest rows. Go to the Rules page. Find the Copy of Bulk Re-enable Chrome Devices rule. Click the Upload button and select the CSV which you have edited. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification at the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.